Okay, so last time I showed you my SUV, the Ford Equator Sport, and I didn't drive the car. Uh, I mean, in last video I didn't drive the car in the videos. So today I'm going to show you guys how this car, how feel to drive this car. How the feeling, okay? So I got this is a keyless door. So let's start the car. So this car have a voice control, and they have a engine start function. If I'm correct, you understand what is the engine start off function. So I just turn this function off because I don't really like this function. And just like you guys know, this car, okay, this SUV, I bought this SUV, I own this SUV. I don't try the different cars from dealership, so I bought this car. Everything you watch on my channel, that's I owned. The motorcycles, the SUV, the house, I own them. Okay, so I'm not doing commercial for those brands, those manufacturers. Okay, so just let me be clear. Now this SUV is a really quiet. Okay, 1.5 liter turbo engine. It's has enough power to drive around the city, and both has the power and the economy. So you start the engine with the keyless function, so you don't need a key like a traditional way to turn on the car. So yep. The acceleration is good. I mean, for an SUV, I mean, this is quick. It's quick enough in the city. So this SUV in front of me is a copy car of I guess the Ford. Let me see. Be careful those scooters. And those people, you know, those scooters, they drive on the way crazy. This drive on the road is insane. Okay, back to the topic. This car, okay, this green SUV, see this? It's called the Tank. It's it's like a Jeep Wrangler combined with a Ford SUV. Do you want to drive in China? This is the situation. Watch out. This is the situation. It's crazy, especially you drive through the small village or small town like this. Man, that's crazy. You have to watch out a lot of things, a lot of people. Also watch animals. The dogs, the homeless dogs, cats. That's crazy, man. Must be careful. So you have to drive slowly when you drive through the village or the towns, because the people here don't follow the rules, don't follow the traffic rules. Actually, I had my last car hit by a guy. You know, he drove a electrical scooter and he hit my car. Oh man, he took all the responsibility. You know, the cops come and told that guy. Oh, sorry. Told that guy he took all the responsibility, and he doesn't have insurance. You know, he doesn't even have a driver license to drive the scooter. That's crazy, man. You must be careful. If you are from the different country, you come to China, you want to drive, man, good luck with that. So back to the SUV. As you can see, okay, it's very quiet, very comfortable as a SUV. 1.5 liter turbo engine. Sounds a little bit underpowered, but based on my experience, this is good enough. I mean, it's enough for SUV. You don't drive SUV like a racing car. You know, you don't drive SUV over 100 miles per hour. I use this one. I use SUV to carry a lot of stuff, moving stuff. You know, they have a big room. I like it, especially if you live in the city. That's very important, because the labor fee in China is going up. It's going to be like a Western country, but it costs you a lot to move furniture, moving stuff. You know, the labor fees up, go up. See the traffic. That's crazy. See those traffic. Okay, let me know if you like my videos. I will upload more videos, okay, later.